Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen, the Gotham Steel Hammered Frying Pan Set. This three-piece collection, featuring 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch skillets, claims to offer superior non-stick performance, durability, and ease of use. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First impressions are important, and Gotham Steel has certainly gone for a distinct aesthetic with this hammered copper finish. It's a look that's meant to stand out on your stovetop. Beyond the appearance, the core of any frying pan set lies in its performance, and Gotham Steel emphasizes its ultimate ceramic non-stick coating. They state it's coated 3 times and reinforced with diamonds. This is a bold claim, suggesting that not only will food release effortlessly, but the pans will also resist scratches and maintain their non-stick properties over time. The idea of not needing any oil or butter for cooking is certainly appealing for those aiming for healthier meals, and the promise of a simple 1-2-3 cleanup, even in the dishwasher, is a significant draw for busy home cooks. Health and safety are paramount in the kitchen, and Gotham Steel highlights that their Ti-Cerama coating is free of PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This is crucial information for anyone concerned about the materials their food is cooked on, ensuring a healthy and safe experience. The durability aspect is particularly interesting. The infusion of synthetic diamonds into the coating is presented as a key feature that makes these pans tough enough to handle metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks, and even electric beaters. This is a significant departure from many non-stick pans that require careful handling to avoid damaging the surface. If this holds true, it would indeed offer years of reliable, non-stick use without constant worry. The convenience factor cannot be overstated, and the Gotham Steel set aims to deliver on this. The claim of effortless cleanup and being dishwasher safe means less time scrubbing after meals and more time enjoying them. For those who cook on various types of stovetops, compatibility is key. This set is said to be compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Furthermore, the pan's construction, with its aluminum composition and unique spiralized bottom design, is engineered for even heat distribution. This means no more dreaded hot spots or dead zones, leading to more consistent cooking results across the entire surface of the pan. And to top it all off, Gotham Steel backs this cookware with a 10-year limited guarantee, providing a good level of confidence in the product's longevity. Now, let's talk about what this all means in practice. The 3 sizes included in this set are quite versatile. The 8-inch pan is ideal for smaller tasks, like perfectly fried eggs or quickly sautéing a single serving of vegetables. The 10-inch is your everyday workhorse, great for omelets, pancakes, and searing smaller cuts of meat. The 12-inch skillet is substantial enough for larger family meals, searing multiple steaks, or pan-frying a whole batch of chicken. The Cool Touch handles are also a practical consideration, offering a safer grip and reducing the risk of burns during cooking. However, no product is perfect, and it's important to consider potential drawbacks. While the diamond-infused coating promises extreme durability, real-world usage can sometimes present challenges. The long-term effectiveness of any non-stick coating, even one reinforced with diamonds, can vary depending on how it's treated and the types of cooking performed. Some users might find that while it's resistant to metal utensils, prolonged aggressive scraping or very high heat could still eventually impact the non-stick properties. Also, the hammered copper aesthetic, while striking, might not be to everyone's taste. It's a bold design choice that could either be a highlight or a clash in certain kitchen decors. While the set is advertised as dishwasher safe, hand washing is often recommended for maintaining the longevity of non-stick coatings, so this might be a point of contention for some. Finally, the Cool Touch handles are a great feature, but it's always wise to exercise caution when handling hot cookware, regardless of handle design. In conclusion, the Gotham Steel Hammered Frying Pan set presents a compelling package of features. The emphasis on extreme non-stick performance, reinforced durability with diamond infusion, and healthy, non-toxic materials makes it a strong contender in the crowded cookware market. The versatility of the sizes, the convenience of dishwasher-safe cleaning, and the promise of even heat distribution all contribute to its appeal. While real-world durability will ultimately be the true test, the combination of these features, backed by a 10-year guarantee, offers a promising solution for many home cooks looking for a reliable and attractive frying pan set. Link in the description.